Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best GoPro selfie sticks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a casual adventurer or a content creator looking for the perfect gear, we've got you covered. All product links can be found in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the GoPro Selfie Stick Extendable Hand Grip. This compact and lightweight option is perfect for travelers and adventurers who need a portable solution. Measuring just 7 inches when collapsed and weighing only 4.96 ounces, it's easy to slip into a backpack or even a pocket. The aluminum body ensures durability, while the non-slip rubber grip and wrist strap provide added security during use. The twist and lock mechanism allows you to extend the pole from 7 to 19 inches, catering to a variety of shooting angles. While the design is solid, there are limitations. The GoPro stick isn't compatible with mobile phones and lacks a built-in shutter button, meaning you'll need to rely on your GoPro's remote or app. However, it excels in underwater sports thanks to its robust build. Just keep in mind it's not buoyant, so it won't float in water. Ideal for casual users or those looking for a budget-friendly, minimalist solution, this stick gets the job done without frills. Pros include its portability, sturdy aluminum construction, and twist lock functionality. Cons are the absence of a shutter button and limited compatibility. It's best suited for lightweight setups and users who prioritize simplicity over advanced features. At number 3, we have the Sun 3-in-1 aluminum waterproof selfie stick. This versatile tool serves as a waterproof selfie stick, an extendable monopod, and a tripod stand, making it a fantastic option for users who need adaptability. With a telescopic design that extends from 8.5 inches to 28 inches, it's easy to lock at any desired length for various shooting scenarios. The build quality is excellent, featuring durable aluminum and foldable tripod legs with built-in magnets for seamless transitions between modes. This model is ideal for underwater sports, hiking, and daily vlogging. It even includes a phone holder clip, allowing you to mount your smartphone for selfies. However, it's worth noting that some users find the tripod legs less stable on uneven surfaces, and the weight limit of 2 kilograms might not accommodate heavier cameras. Still, its ease of use and versatility make it a standout choice for multi-purpose shooting. Pros include its 3-in-1 functionality, durable construction, and included accessories like the phone holder clip. Cons are the potential instability of the tripod legs and lower weight capacity. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your adventures, the Sun selfie stick won't disappoint. Coming in at second place is the Telesin Selfie Stick Long Pole. This premium option features a telescoping design that offers customizable extension lengths, ranging from 12.36 inches to an impressive 47.2 inches. Made from lightweight carbon fiber, it's highly durable, rust-proof, and waterproof, making it ideal for extreme outdoor conditions like snowboarding, diving, and surfing. Weighing just 5.1 ounces, it's portable enough to fit into a backpack or jacket pocket. One of its standout features is its compatibility with a wide array of devices. It comes with adapters for GoPro, Insta360, DJI Osmo, and smartphones, making it a versatile choice for users who own multiple cameras. While the pole itself doesn't include a tripod, it does feature a 1/4-inch screw mount for easy pairing with a separate tripod. On the downside, this stick might feel less secure when fully extended compared to heavier-duty models. The pros include its lightweight carbon fiber build, impressive extension range, and universal compatibility. The cons are the lack of bundled tripod and some stability concerns at maximum length. This is an excellent choice for adventurers who need a high-performance, portable option for extreme conditions. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the GoPro extension pole with waterproof shutter remote. As an official GoPro accessory, this product comes with premium features that make it a no-brainer for GoPro users. The pole extends from 10 inches to a whopping 48 inches, offering excellent versatility for both up-close and wide-angle shots. The lightweight aluminum construction ensures durability while remaining easy to handle during long shooting sessions. The highlight here is the waterproof shutter remote, which allows you to control your GoPro with a simple Bluetooth connection. This one-button remote lets you start-stop video recording or snap photos without needing direct access to your camera, making it perfect for action-packed scenarios. Additionally, the included ball joint adapter provides flexibility for dynamic angles, and the wrist strap adds convenience and security. The pros include its impressive extension range, waterproof Bluetooth remote, and durable build quality. The only real con is its price, which is higher than other options on this list. However, for those who want the ultimate GoPro accessory with premium features and seamless integration, this extension pole stands out as the best choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this countdown of the top 5 GoPro selfie sticks. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which selfie stick you're most excited to try, or if you have any questions about these products. I'll be happy to help you out. See you in the next video.